The Olevsky International Symposium, 12th International Symposium on Composite, Ceramic, and Nanomaterials Processing, Characterization, and Applications, is a key part of SIPS 2026. This major international symposium is organized in honor of the distinguished scientific career and lifetime achievements of Professor Eugene Olevsky, a globally recognized leader in material science, mechanical engineering, and advanced manufacturing. It brings together researchers, engineers, and industry professionals to exchange knowledge and discuss recent advances in the processing, characterization, and applications of composite, ceramic, and nanomaterials. The symposium serves as a comprehensive platform covering a wide spectrum of topics in the field. Key themes include powder processing and sintering science, encompassing densification, microstructure evolution, and both conventional and advanced techniques such as pressure-assisted and field-assisted sintering. The program also highlights the relationship between processing, structure, and material properties. Topics include additive manufacturing based on powder materials and sintering-assisted routes, as well as processing routes involving in situ and ex situ phase formation and transformation. Solid-state, semi-solid, liquid phase, and reactive powder processing routes are also included. The symposium also explores functionally graded materials, architected materials, and multi-scale reinforcement strategies, as well as powder materials under extreme thermal, electrical, mechanical, and environmental conditions. Sustainability is integrated throughout with attention to synthetic, recycled, waste-derived, and bio-inspired materials. Advances in characterization techniques, computational modeling, and data-driven approaches, including machine learning, are also featured. In addition, the program considers education, training, and workforce development in sintering and powder materials engineering. Overall, the Olevsky International Symposium offers a forward-looking view of the innovations shaping the future of composite, ceramic, and nanomaterials at SIPS 2026. To join the conversation, submit your abstract at flogen.org/SIPS 2026.